येस. म्हाका सांगा, आयज तुमी परतून प्रोटेस्ट करपाक येयल्या. ते 4 दीस तुमचो प्रोटेस्ट आसलो, कंटिन्यू आसलो पळय. वॉट वॉज द रिजन बिहायंड दॅट की तुमी परत पायरी चडची पडली तुमकां पुलीस स्टेशना वयली टू डू दॅट प्रोटेस्ट नाव?
So we'll answer all your questions, and just before you all could arrive, we had actually started the protest out. So this is not even a protest. This is just a way for us to communicate what we are trying to as a group, as a village. And we had started outside, but it was raining very heavily. That's why we were forced to move inside. A couple of speakers have already we've spoken about our problems, about why we are having this today. And one very important thing is, if anyone has read the article on Herald today, that very much reverberates all of our problems. That's why all of us are gathered here today. Maybe we do not have such large numbers as the last time, but we have come here because all of us are still facing the problems. And this was done on a very short notice, and for such a group to gather here, that means something, that we have issues. So we'll just go on to, I'll just give a recap of what the speakers have spoken till now. Yesterday there was a complaint made to 112, then also to the police station. But the problem, and it's not the police's problem, okay, honestly, because they also don't know where is the noise coming from, and we also don't know where is the noise coming from. So how are we to know whom to contact for help at night at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock? We don't know whom to contact for help. So we'll go to another speaker who, she's a woman, she's a female, and this is a woman who will tell you why, as a villager, she is afraid to go out and take videos as evidence. Okay, she is a villager, staying right in the heart of the clubs which are poised as restaurants, and she will tell you her story.
येस. नाव सांगा तुमचें.
आमी वागातोर रावता. आमकां सुरक्षा जाय, कित्याक आमकां भायर सरोंक आमकां हें ना. कित्याक आमच्या घरान येवन आमकां हें करतात की धमकी दितात की तुमी प्रूफ हाडात आनी कितें ते भाशेन. आनी कंप्लेन करून गेल्यार म्हणटात कित्याक कंप्लेन करतात.
पूण तुमकां भायर सरपाक पयलो म्हणजे भंय दिसता कित्या खातीर भायर सरोंक दिना?
केल्यार ते आमकां पत्ते आमच्या दारार येतात आनी सारके भितर येतात आनी म्हणटात आमकां की तुमी प्रूफ दियात की आमचें म्युजीक तुमकां डिस्टर्ब करता वो कितें ते भाशेन.
ओके.
आमी कंप्लेनूय आमी रेजिस्टर
तुमी खंय रावता?
वागातोर.
तुमी वागातोर रावता. आनी खंयचें म्युजीक येता आनी खंयच्या टायमाचेर म्युजीक येता?
जायतीं येतात. आमी नांव सांगना कित्याक मागीर आमकां हें ना न्हू. आमकां हॉस्टेलां सेफ्टी जाय आमकां.
तुमी हॉस्टेलान आसता?
आमी
तुमचें घर?
आमच्या घराशेन जायतीं हॉस्टेलूय आहात, क्लबय आहात. सो तेका लागून मागीर ती नांव सांगल्यार मागीर म्हणटात की पत्ते आमकांच टार्गेट करूंक येतली ती. तेका लागून आमी आमचे सेफ्टीक लागून आमी कंप्लेनूय केल्ली आसा.
ओके. म्हणजे जेन्ना तुमी कंप्लेन करपाक केल्ली पळय हेच्या पयलीं, तेन्ना कोण येयलेले तुमकां धमकी बीन दिवपाक?
हय, दिवंक येयल्या म्हणूनच आमी हे केला न्हू.
कितें थ्रेटन जातालें तुमकां? कितें म्हणून?
म्हणजे तुमी म्युजीक कित्याक आमचें बंद करतात अशें म्हणून विचारतात ते आमकां. म्हणजे आमच्या कुशीकूच एक क्लब आहा.
स्पेसिफिकली सांगू शकता खंयची?
हां.
हेचेर आमी मेन्शन केल्लें.
आनी तुमी कितें सांगूंक सोदता?
आमी दोगांच आसतात घरा कडेन.
घरा कडेन दोगांच आसता तुमी? ओके. आनी म्युजीक कितल्या टायमाचेर येता तुमकां आयकोंक?
10 उपरांत स्टार्ट जाता तेंचें.
ओके. मागीर हांगासर केन्ना जाता? हांगासर जेन्ना प्रोटेस्ट तुमचो चालू आसलो पळय 4 दीस जाले, ताचे उपरांत परतून म्युजीक स्टार्ट जालें येवपाक?
स्टार्ट जालें. ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड.
ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट जालें.
स्टार्टेड.
टील टायमींग?
टायमींग टील मॉर्निंग पासून आसतात.
मॉर्निंग मेरेन आसता? येस.
Okay, just one very important thing to note is that please note how the question comes across to us. Like, when did the music start? And she, her immediate response was dark. But please understand that is by law. We are everyone has been saying it round and round again that the music starts at 10. But the music actually starts way before, even once it is plugged and once we can hear anything, it is already loud beyond the limits. So this 10 o'clock, and recently I've heard about a policy that is saying they want to increase it to 12 o'clock because of, and they want to include some religious function as a basis for increasing the time limit. I think no one, I don't know about other places, but here even the 10 o'clock limit is not valued or respected, and we are increasing it for 2 more hours legally. What is happening? If we cannot evaluate, if we cannot monitor something up to 10 o'clock, how will we monitor something up to 12 o'clock? And now we'll go to one of the, we're very thankful to have Darshan Bhatia. He's one of the petitioners in the High Court for the current case, which is the case against for the noise pollution.
Yes.
I'll let Darshan Bhatia speak, and you all will be surprised to see something in his hand.
Yes, sir.
Right.
The reason behind that you all have come here.
So this is an ongoing problem where clubs are playing loud music through the night. I am one of the people who suffers also. I am also a petitioner in the High Court, and I have made so many complaints to the police, but only lip service is done, and the problem is not being solved, and cases are not being booked. And last week when the candlelight vigil happened, for a couple of days things were a little quieter, but it is back to normal again.
Okay. But the music is getting continuously from 10 to morning time again
It
after the
depends.
protest also.
It depends on different venues. I live in Arpora, but in the Anjuna Vagator belt, yes, it is very loud. Of course, right now it is monsoon and raining, so sometimes it is not peak season, but the problem is still continuing, yes.
Okay.
सर हायकोर्टान ऑर्डर पास केल्ली आसा that to have indoors clubs to be set up and given a time period, but still you all are going with the protest.
So High Court has not given an order to have indoor club. The High Court has said noise monitoring systems should be installed, and they have asked the Goa State Pollution Control Board to give a date by which they will be installed. But my argument has always been that this is a noise level meter. It measures the noise. Okay, I am willing to donate personally from my own money 2 such systems to Anjana Police. It costs about 10,000 rupees each. Mine is calibrated up to February 2025. And all the police have to do is, if there is a complaint, go there, measure it. If it is exceeding the recommended and specified noise level, they have to book a case. How many complaints have happened and how many cases have been booked? You can please ask them. In the whole year, you will see 2-3 cases booked. And if the place is a repeat offender, they are supposed to confiscate the equipment. This is a crime which they are supposed to take action. But they don't do it.
How this device work?
You can see it as I speak. You will see the number goes up. It measures the sound level, and if we are silent for, I'll just request 5 seconds of silence. It has come down to about 52 decibels when we were quiet. Now I'm speaking, it's showing 79 decibels. So it measures the sound level. This is a microphone, and it tells you how loud it is.
So easily you can check this thing also, the music decimal points also, everything.
Absolutely, this is what should be done, and I'm willing to donate it also, so that tomorrow nobody says we don't have the equipment to go and measure.
Thank you.
Have you met the new recruit PI
The
for
PI?
the Anjuna?
I have personally not met, but Natch might have met.
Okay. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, so that is very grateful for citizen to come up ahead and give at least some device that the authorities can use, because it's reached such a state where we have to give suggestions about what can be done for the authorities to help us. And if you all noted that the device showed around 70 to 79 decibels when he was talking. Now, this is something to be focused on, that when we sleep, we need at least 50 decibels to sleep, because this is a residential area. We are not thinking of the fact that this is still a residential area, and even up to 10 p.m., the music can be heard, and who is monitoring that? And some people are saying even when you talk, it is more than 50. Yes, it is, and that is why the Supreme Court and all the courts have, the National Green Tribunal have said that you require that much time to sleep. Even, it was mentioned that WHO has stated that sleep is an essential criteria for us. Now we'll just go on to another resident from Anjuna who a couple of years back had come to the police station, and this is how his experience had been. Because this is...
Yeah,
Your name, sir?
I'm Jonah and I live in Pikenpede. And I remember like one of the first times when I tried to make a complaint about loud music that was coming, which I couldn't sleep. I remember the police on the other side, they told me that it was our responsibility to go and find the place where the music was coming from. I found that very weird. At 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, you have to get out of bed and go find the place. So the first time, second time, I didn't do that. I was not feeling safe. But after so many times of doing that, I finally did it. I went to the junction, I found the place, I was calling them from there, and the van that they promised would come never came. So finally, one day out of desperation, I went back home and I got my pillow and I got my bedsheet and I came here, and I have a video of me doing that. And this bench right here, I put my pillow on my bedsheet and I said, I'm sleeping here until you put the music off, because in any case at home I cannot sleep. So I put my pillow and I put my bedsheet and I filled myself and I did. So of course all the police found it very funny that I was doing that, and then they started calling the jeep which was out and doing the rounds, and they told me that the music was off, and I was coordinating with my wife who was still at home, and she said the music is still there but it is significantly softer. And we had to accept that as the result, and then we went home to sleep with soft music, not shut off music. That was the best that we could do, and I'm willing to do it again. I'm coming to sleep here if the music is back. If anybody wants to join me, let me know. I'm ready to come and sleep here.
Okay.
So, as you said, that police and authorities are local forced to come out on the road or the street, then only the action should be taken.
Yeah, because they said that if you don't know where the music is coming from, how can we know? So I would have thought logically you can tell them where you live, and then perhaps they can find out where it's coming from. But that apparently is not the situation that they would like to work with, that the citizen has to get up at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning, go and find the place and call them from there, which if you also do, you realize that they still don't come.
When it was? When it was?
This was, I think 2 years ago.
2 years ago. Okay.
So yeah, that this is how desperate some of us have to get so that we get sleep. So at least, because even that day DGP sir had said that DYSP sir, sorry, had said that this is the safest place in Anjuna. So maybe I think so what he did was actually the best thing, like, because supposedly the police cannot hear the music, so maybe there is something to do with the maybe it's noise proof or something. I don't know. And now we'll speak to somebody else who's come all the way from Sholim, and how he has faced noise pollution, and how he has dealt with the authorities, and let's hear from him.
पयलीं म्हळ्यार हांव मिडियाक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कित्याक आमच्या अंजुनच्या भागांतल्या लोकांक तुमी कंटिन्युअसली आयले आनी सपोर्ट केलें म्हणून. कशें आसा की हांव शिवोलेच्यान आयलां, शिवोले मारनाच्यान, सो तारची बाट शिवोले. हो जो इशू आसा नॉयज पोल्युशन हो वागातोर आनी अंजुना पुरती लिमिटेड ना. हो जो इशू आसा हो सगळी कडेन आसा, गोंयभरू आसा. आमच्या शिवोले गांवानूच तुमी आयकलां आसतलें सुरज चोडणकर म्हणून वसंत विद्यालयाचो प्रिंसिपल, तो स्टुडंट्सां खातीर झगडटा. इट इज नॉट अबावट ओन्ली आफ्टर 10 PM. 10 भुरगे आमचे जे भुरगे स्कुलान वतात ते 10च्या पयलींच सगळे आमी स्टडी करता, दनपारां करता, सांजचे करता. तांच्यांनी कितें करप, तांच्यांनी कशें स्टडी करप, तांच्यांनी रातचे 10च्या नंतर जागे रावन स्टडी करप, हो विशय आसा. हो विशय थंय इतलो पाविल्लो की तांच्यांनी स्टुडंट्सांक घेवन ते ऑथॉरिटी कडेन गेल्ले, आनी तरी सुद्दां हे ज्यो पार्टीज आशिल्ल्यो त्यो बंद जावंक ना. सो आमचो जो शिवोले अंजुना वागातोर हो गांव आसा, हो एक पिसफूल गांव आनी एक सुंदर गांव. हे जो वयलो बेल्ट आसा पळय तो एक्चुली ग्रेजींग, गोरवां थंय पयलीं आदीं हे खावपाक येतालीं, चार खावपाक येताले, आनी आतां गोरवां तर विसरून दी, हांगा मनशाक रावपाची सुद्दां परिस्थिती उरलेली ना. आनी हे जे लोक जे हांगा येतात, पार्टी करपाक येतात, ते फक्त 2 दिसां खातीर येतात. 2 दीस पार्टी करून ते वतले म्हणटा. म्हाका दिसता तांच्या भितरले 90% लोकांनी बीच सुद्दां त्या बिचार सुद्दां वचना. आनी ह्या 2 दिसां खातीर आमच्या शिवोलच्या लोकांनी कित्याक सफर जावचें, तांचें फूल लायफ जें कित्याक मिजरेबल जावचें. सो हांव मागता की आमी आतां कोण आमचे जे लोकल लोक आसा ना, गोंयचे लोक आसा, एक बारीकसो कितें बिझनस करूंक वयता, गाडो घालूंक वयता, शॉप घालूंक वयता, तेन्ना ताका 100 परमिशनां लागता, 100 एफिडेविटां लागता आनी परमिशन मेळ्ळा उपरांतूय गव्हर्मेंट तांच्या फाटल्यान लागता. पूण हे जे सगळे इल्लिगल प्रॅक्टिसीस जे हांगा चालू आसा ताका गव्हर्मेंट कित्याक पळयना. सो म्हाका दिसता की हांगा जे आमचो सायलंट आयचो जो प्रोटेस्ट आसा ताजो आवाज गव्हर्मेंटान सारको आयकूंक येना जाल्यार, आनी ह्या लोकांचो जे जाणटे लोक आसा जे भायर सरिल्ले आसा दीस रात ते हांगा पुलीस स्टेशनार आसता, सो तांच्या खातीर कितें तरी करचें. आतां तरी म्हाका दिसता पांचवो प्रोटेस्ट. सो 5वें प्रोटेस्ट 100-150 लोक येवन पुलीस स्टेशनार येवन सायन दिता आनी गव्हर्मेंट कांयच करिना. हाज्या पेक्षा आनीक वायट गोश्ट कांय ना. देव बरें.
येस.
कपिल बाब, आमी म्हणटा की तुमी डे 1च्यान प्रोटेस्टा खातीर पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर येता,
हय.
पण कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी बाकीचे आसा, MLA आसा,
हय.
पुलीस स्टेशनाच्या वयर आनी हायर कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटी
बरोबर,
आसा,
बरोबर.
तेंच्या दारा मेरेन तुमी पावतले
पळय, आमी आमचें काम आसा पळय तें आमी करता. हांगा डॉक्युमेंटेशन कितें जाय, कोर्टान कितें जाय तें आमच्या फाटल्यान आसा, हें आसा पेटिशनर, ते सगळे जाण फायल करता. आनी मिडिया तुमी आमच्या बरोबर आसा. हायर ऑथॉरिटी कडेन वचपाची गरजूच ना. हे जो विशय आसा पळय तो सगळे कडेन लायव्ह चालू आसा, लायव्ह सगळ्यान पळयता. प्रत्येकान तर आपापलें काम केलें. आमी जेन्ना तो हो ताजेर घालता तो ताजेर घालता, तो अशें सर्कल कशें जाल्लें आसा. सो प्रत्येक जाणांनी तर आपलें काम सारकें केलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसना की हो विशय इतलो डिफिकल्ट आसा. त्या दिसा सावथ गोवाचे MLA आयिल्ले, तांच्यांनी सांगलें की तांच्या गांवान विशय हो 10च्या नंतर कांयच जायना, पूण हांगा कित्याक जायना तें म्हाका कळना.
येस.
थँक्यू.
Now we'll just have, I just want to give a round of applause to, two people, Janet and who've gone on television and spoken out about our problems. And it's very difficult to speak in front of the camera, and very difficult to be coherent and understand everyone's problems and be a representative. And they have done a wonderful job, both Jamie and Janet. And just a round of applause for them. We will just say a few words now.
सगळ्यां लागीं मागता हात जोडून की आमकां वागातोरच्या लोकांक पिसफूल आनी सुसेगाद रावूं दी. आमी सुसेगाद गोंयकार म्हणून जाणो जाल्ल्यार तुमचे सगळे लागीं मागता आमकां न्हिदोंक दियात आनी आमकां बरे भशेन रावंक दियात. आमच्या भुरग्यांक शिकोवंक दी आनी तांकां हे लावड म्युजीक घालून डिस्टर्ब करी नाकात.
मॅडम, एक प्रश्न मेन तुमकां म्हणजे की तुमी आतां त्या उलोवन पासून येयल्यात मिडिया कडेन. 4 दीस कंटिन्युअसली तुमचो प्रोटेस्ट जाल्लो. तुमी सांगलें की हो प्रोटेस्ट आमचो आतां बंद जातलो म्हणून. पुलिसांनी तुमकां आश्वासन एक दिलें, एश्युरन्स दिलें की हेच्या फुडें लावड म्युजीक आवाज जो आसा हो येवचो ना, आनी सगळे जे रेस्टॉरंट बार जे कितें क्लब्स बीन आसात पळय थंयसर ते मॉनिटरींग मशीन घालतले आनी कंपल्सरी घालतले म्हटलां तेंच्यांनी. हांगासरूय तेंचें आसा. इतलें आसून सुद्दां आजुनूय म्युजीक चालू आसा.
म्युजीक चालूच आसा आनी इतली व्हडल्यान आसा की आमकां बिट्स बरेच आयको येतात कानार आनी आमचे हार्टबिटूय वाडटात. म्हणून आयज आमी हांगा परतून आयल्यान सांगपाक, जेन्ना आमी कॉल करतात 112 ते आमकां विचारतात खंयसर कितें जाता काय म्हणून आमकां ही म्युजीक बंद जाल्ली जाय, ही लावड म्युजीक. आनी आमकां सारकें बरे भशेन न्हिदोंक जाय रातची आनी भुरग्यांक लिसांव करूंक जाय.
त्याच प्रमाणे आयज तुमच्या अंजुना पुलीस स्टेशनाक एक तुमकां न्यू PI मेवलेले आसा. मेवल्या तुमी? कितें सांगलां तुमकां?
आमी आतां मेवतली.
आतां मेवतली. ओके.
And there is someone from our village. Hopefully he wants to be named now or later. We've just prepared the song. Okay, and hopefully all of us, this displays what we are facing. And can we start? Everyone has a song. Okay. It's something in Konkani. Okay, I urge all of you all to please join in. Okay.
Please join in because my accent's a bit English and we'd like some Konkani accents in this.
Yes.
I'm so pleased for Sornella, Police Sai Baba Pomelaila, Maka Sai Baba Tida Koi
want to continue. This is something that reverberates what we feel, that it's reached to such an extent that we have to make songs about sleeping, something that all of us should have, without any issue. And now, we just talk about the, demands, or I'll just put it in a short way, that the demands that we had put across the other day, and the most important was that of having the noise monitoring stations in place till permissions are given. That was just nullified, and it was even asked that why are we allowing to start something when licenses are not in place. And now we just have Joyce talk on how we as locals, we also have businesses that depend on tourism. And let me make one thing very clear to everyone who is spreading some kind of rumors that we are going to kick the locals' stomachs, that we want to, we are not doing any of that. We just want our sleep. If anyone who says this, let them come and stay here for a day or a night, and let them experience what we go through.
Yes.
Okay, so we just start.
Navesh.
Good evening, माझें नाव जयवेश आणि हांव वागातोर गांवाचो. So almost like 2-3 वर्सां जाली we are facing these issues of noise pollution, and authorities has been keeping a blind eyes on us. Since we are being locals आणि आमचे खूब businesses आहे हांगा, आणि because of this noise pollution we are finding very difficult to run our business. खुबशे बिझनेस आमचे लॉसांनी वयता, कित्याक जे रेस्टॉरंट्स आहा या जे गेस्ट हावजीस आसता न्हू, तितून लोक रावंक सोदिना, कित्याक ह्यो आवाज इतलो तांकां डिस्टर्ब जाता. खुबशे गेस्ट आमचे येता वर्क फ्रॉम होम करपाक, खुबशे गेस्ट येता टू रेस्ट, बट दीस नॉयज पोल्युशन इज बिकमिंग सो इरिटेबल. So people within a few hours they say we want to check out, we don't want to stay. So life is becoming very difficult. आणि जे आम्ही म्हणटा की वी आर टार्गेटिंग ओनली सर्टन बिझनेसीस, इट इज रॉंग. वी आर नॉट टार्गेटिंग एनीबडी ऑफ युअर बिझनेसीस. आमकां जाय आमचे पोट भरलेले, आनी तुमचे जे रेस्टॉरंटां चलता न्हू, तुमी चलयात एज पर द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ द लॉ जो आसा पळय तेच्या प्रमाणे तुमी काम करा. इट डजंट मीन दॅट तुमी दुसऱ्याच्या पोटार हे करून तुमी आपणाचे व्हडल्यान म्युजीक करून तुमी पयशे करपाचे. दीस इज व्हेरी फेअर फ्रॉम देअर सायड.
सो मेन तुमची मागणी आता कितें आसा की तुमचे एक म्हणजे लावड म्युजीक, टायमींग प्रॉब्लम आहा.
करेक्ट. एक म्हणटा तो टायमींग प्रॉब्लम बियॉन्ड 10 o'clock ऑलरेडी क्लियर रूल आहा, ब्लॅक एंड व्हायट, म्युजीक वाजोवंक जायना. ह्यो जो रूल आसा इट इज ब्रोकन बाय ऑल द क्लब्स एंड पब्स वीच आर हियर. द साऊंड जो आसता तो इज लायक बियॉन्ड डेसिबल. आनी जो जे परमिशन घेवन वाजयता, विदावट परमिशन जे पासून घेवन वाजयता पळय तेंचेर कांय एक्शन घेयना. परमिशन पासून घेवन वाजयता इट इज व्हेरी क्लियर दॅट 55 to 60 डेसिबल ते तुमकां वाजोवंक मेळटा, कळ्ळें न्हू. बट ते कोण मॉनिटर करिना. दॅट इज द बिगस्ट डिफिकल्टी. पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड येता, बट आय डोंट थिंक सो दे फायंड वेर एक्झॅक्टली द साऊंड इज कमिंग, कळ्ळें न्हू. तेका लागून दीस इज न्यूसन्स फॉर अस.
So, just one thing about, he said that nobody is monitoring it. And I just noticed one thing the other day when we had, when Janet went on the debate and she was there discussing it with, Nandan sir, and about that he owned a club, and he made one statement that the making it indoors costs not 5 lakhs but 5 crores, and that's why they are reluctant to do it. But if one person can do it, and he has spoken about how the Goans are facing difficulties. So in a sense, for me, it was not a debate, it was both parties coming together and coming to a conclusion, and that is what we were told, that different bodies, authorities would come together, collude, and come to a conclusion about how to protect us. But I don't see any of that happening, because even yesterday complaints were made and no action was taken. And in the morning it was reported on the newspaper that no parties were being played by the police station. So we will now just go on to our final speaker. His name is Julian, also known as Jude. Okay, so he'll tell you a very interesting thing. Let him speak.
In
My-
short,
My name is Julian Hernandez. Commonly I am known in this village as Jude. As per the problems of these people, I have been living here and with them. I have found them to be troubled with various problems. I myself am facing various problems. So I have started the new committee, Wagator Citizens Welfare Committee, since April 22nd. And I have been writing the various problems of the people are facing this in the Panchayat applications. This is the application I have written on the 11th June regarding the music problem. And I have some points to be
mention it.
First, this it was told by the MLA that the licenses of these restaurants which are playing loud music have to be withdrawn if they are not using the indoors music system. They cannot play loud music openly.
Okay.
Secondly, the Panchayat to take immediate action to stop the loud music pollution which is causing various problems, health problems to the people, such as no proper sleep to the people. We have the right to sleep for some few hours in the night. We have to get up early in the morning, so we have to have proper sleep in the night for all people. It is our right. Then, secondly, we don't have our children to suffer. We don't want the children to suffer anything. Now these children, they have to study. They have to concentrate properly on their studies. Without proper silence, in the house, the children are not able to concentrate on the studies. You tell me, who can study anywhere? You can talk without disturbance. There should be proper silence for all purposes such. Even when people want to pray, there should be proper silence. There should be no disturbances. So I request this, and I have received a letter. I have given the this copy to the police station, and also I have given the copy to the deputy collector, and I have received a letter from the deputy collector, to tell this, direct this police station, the police inspector who is in charge, to take the necessary action regarding this noise pollution. Here you can.
Okay.
And that is where we will take we will head next, because yesterday a complaint was made, and we want to know who decided that there was no noise and who evaluated that, because we don't have the time and the affordability to come here every now and then. And this letter from the Office of Deputy Collector and HDO MAPSA Goa clearly states that whatever letter was forwarded, the letter is self-explanatory, and the same is forwarded to you to direct the concerned police inspector to keep strict vigil at the site and book the violator as per the law. Now, who is doing the strict vigil and who is the violator as per the law, we have yet to know, because a complaint was made, and the very next day we are being told that no complaint was made. So let us follow up on the complaint that was made to 112 to the PI. We will speak to the PI directly, because he's the PI who is posted here. So let us.
So this letter is given by the deputy collector?
Yes, you all can have, we'll share this
Yes.
with the media as well. You can have a letter, you can have a copy later.
Fine.
And the issue is that, I mean, the funny thing is that this is dated 12th of June 2024. So we want to know if there was any letter, superseding this, that absolved the PI from taking action. Because sometimes maybe See, we understand that there are interdepartmental, delays and deficiencies. We are not here to fight with any authority. We are just here to find whom to address if we have an issue and who will take action. Because these are two separate things. Whom can we talk to? Who can we convey our problems to without being tortured and asked, without being asked, in return, where is it coming from and whatnot.
Okay.
And Nandan sir had made one statement that day that keep a designated person at the police station to monitor this. Now just outside Anjuna police station right now at this very moment, there are 4 traffic cops. And this is a very common observation that there are traffic cops at this area. If we can afford 4 traffic cops right outside the police station to avoid people from drinking and driving and causing accidents, if the traffic police can do such a thing, why cannot the, I don't know who is the responsible person. If according to that letter it is the police, then why can't we have proper strict vigil? What does strict vigil mean? Whom do we, who can clarify this for us? Let us head to the and this is we have the call ID bearing number that was also displayed today.
So this protest will be continuously going on now.
Sorry, we
The
don't
protest
know. That's why on the flyer, we don't want to protest anymore. We thought day 4 would have been the end and the court would give their verdict on Monday. But we were very glad with whatever the outcome on Monday was, and we are very thankful to the judges of the High Court of Bombay and Goa that they have heard our grievances. Some of the people have been fighting from years. Some of the people have been fighting for months, and we are thankful that somebody in this judicial system has heard our plea. It's if anyone has read the order, the way they have questioned the authorities is really puts our hopes up that so many of us have gathered again today. We believe in the judiciary. We believe that the law will provide for us, and we are hopeful that it will find a solution for us without hurting anyone, without hurting the locals who have their own businesses. A solution is sought. We are come to find a solution, and that is what we are hopeful the courts will provide.
Yes. So now you are going to meet the new PI.
Yes. Okay. So till we have a word, if we can meet the PI, because we understand they have their own responsibilities. Mr. Darshan Bhatia would like to share about, when I put out these questions, he being the petitioner in one of the petitioners, he can maybe shed some light on the matter of who he believes in his time that he has spent with this pursuit of hoping that a voice comes down.
Yes, sir.
I would like to clarify that I have been suffering for over 2 years, and I have written letters to the collector, to the SP North Goa, to the deputy collector, etc. I have also received probably 5 letters like this. Very clearly from the deputy collector directing the SP North Goa to ensure compliance, but compliance has not happened. I am a petitioner in the court, also in the High Court, and it is very clear that the police is responsible for compliance. There should not be ambiguity, but there is passing the buck going on. I want to relate one experience last December. I think it was 10th of December. There was a place near my house playing an outdoor concert so loud that my bed was shaking even in the night. I was complaining from 10:30. I actually paid a ticket and sent somebody in the concert to take videos. Nothing was happening. Finally at 3:30 I came here in my night clothes. They were not willing to listen to me.
Okay.
And I finally said I'm not leaving. And then they made one phone call. Obviously the van was at the location, and within a few seconds the noise was shut down. So if the police wants to shut the sound down,
They can. Yes.
But this is not happening. Passing of the buck is taking place. There is clear orders from the High Court, and the judiciary does not need to interfere in an administrative function. The police's job is to stop this, and they can do it very easily, but it does not happen. We, the citizens, are made to go pillar to post and leave all our work, leave our families, and come here and protest. Why? Because they are not doing their job, and this should be very clearly understood by everybody.
Yes.
Okay. And meanwhile, we've just found out that PI is not in the police station's vehicle has broken down, something I didn't quite catch that. And Alex will just share a few words about, we are contacting the PI in the meanwhile, informing him that we are waiting for him at the police station. Alex will just share a few words on what he assesses of the situation.
In short.
We have heard everybody talking over here. What I propose is basically night patrolling. After 10 o'clock, there should be night patrolling. There should be at least 3 or 4 vehicles which should patrol Anjuna, Arpora and the places where the nightclubs are there. This would not only, take care of the noise pollution, but also the other criminal activities which are happening. Say, drunk and drive, whatever is happening. During the patrolling, they can be identified. Okay. Now, 112 can also be integrated with these patrolling vans, so that whenever there is a complaint, the concerned van is contacted and they can reach the venue and take stocks over there. And Mr. Bhatia has got that meter and he is ready to donate 2 meters. 2 meters can go in the patrolling van. If more are required, more can be purchased.
From your side?
No, yeah, okay, no problem. Okay. But the whole idea is have night patrolling and keep the police mobile rather than calling up, where is this happening, what is happening. Baba, you come on the site. It's happening here.
Today is a Sunday. What is the current situation over here now?
Current situation, after we coming here, I think the sound is almost like, they're not playing it. But we can't come every day. We can't come every day and stand here outside.
Okay.
5 days we've already wasted. Last long weekend was totally wasted on this activity. Hoping that we would get some light, we would get some relief. But there's no relief. Okay, thank you very much.
I'm just being told by Mr. Bhatia that there was a designated flying squad, there was a designated WhatsApp number, and there's also supposed to be the noise pollution register at the police station. There's supposed to be a noise pollution register. So today we realized that when we put it across as demands, we are commanding somebody to do that. So let us try today and say it is our request to show us the noise pollution register, and we want the case that happened yesterday, we want it registered. So the PI has assured us that he will be coming in some time, so we will wait over here.
So you are waiting for the PI now?
Yes, we will be waiting for the PI. Thank you.
आणि